guys, so right now we're in Dinosaur Landia, whatever this is, and this is called Girl, whatever, and we're in line. And if we zoom in carefully, get out of my way.
Bitch, who the hell you think you're talking to, huh?
No, Lisa, get out of my way.
Nigga, who the fuck you think you're talking to like that?
Oh my gosh, I can't zoom in. Okay, anyway, we're gonna go on this curly ride, and you'll see the little cars, and it goes like all the way down over there.
It's a kiddie ride.
Yeah, it's a kiddie ride, but it's gonna be really fun. It's gonna be the funnest thing ever. Stop trying to get in my vlog. Oh my god, only Juliana's vlog. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna have so much fun. Like, this way. Oopsie, it wasn't time to go. Okay, we're about to go on. See, now we can go. Right? Okay, here we go. Where's my wife? Look, it's our car. We're currently walking into it. Now we're in it. And now we're in it. As you can see, this is how it looks like. Hey guys. Say hi guys. Oh, this vlog is gonna be so fast. It's gonna go fast. Oh look. Oh, I told you.
Oh, you don't talk to me like that, hoe. I'll whoop a bitch's ass.
Okay, we're gonna go up. We're up now. Okay, they just went off. We're gonna put her hands up even though we didn't even go yet. We didn't go yet.
Bitch, who the fuck you think you're talking to like?
For your safety, stay surrounded.
Alright then. Okay, now we're climbing up. Oh, and now we're going back. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Look at it. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, now we're gonna go. Okay. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Look at it, look at it, look at it. We're gonna go.